Problem number 10, that is, the shortest wavelength of the spectral line of hydrogen atom or in Lyman series is X. Shortest wavelength is X, Lyman series. Then the longest wavelength of the line in the Balmer series of Li2 plus is. What's the condition for longest wavelength of line in Balmer series of lithium? Now let us consider for shortest wavelength. Shortest wavelength. Shortest wavelength of Lyman series. See here, Lyman series means Lyman is n is equal to 1, n1 is equal to 1. Shortest wavelength is n2 is equal to infinity. Z is equal to 1 for hydrogen atom. Therefore, we have the formula nu bar is equal to r into z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. What is given here? The shortest wavelength of the spectral line of hydrogen atom is X. Therefore, we know that this is nothing but 1 by lambda 1. I'll take it. Lambda 1 value will be X, 1 by X, into, I'll retain R as it is. It's 1 square into 1 by infinity 0, 1 by 1 square. Therefore, if you can simplify, you get 1 by X is equal to R. Therefore, 1 by X is equal to R. I'll write it here. 1 by X is equal to R. Let me call this as equation number 1. Now, what's the condition? Longest wavelength for Balmer series of lithium 2 plus. If I consider lithium 2 plus, atomic number is equal to Z is equal to 3. Okay. Next, Balmer series means Lyman Balmer. Balmer is N1 is equal to 2. What is the condition for longest wavelength? N1 plus 1. Therefore, N2 is equal to 3. Let us substitute here. 1 by lambda 2 is equal to R into 1 by 1 N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Therefore, 1 by lambda 2 is equal to R into, this is Z square, this is 3 square into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. If you can simplify this, we get, so you get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9 into 9. So this is 9 minus 4 by 4 into 9 into 9. Therefore, 9 and 9 will get cancelled. You get 5 by 4. 5 by 4. So 5 by 4. Okay, so you get 5 by 4 because this 9 and 9 will get cancelled. So this is 9 minus 4 will be 5. 5 by 4 times the R. Therefore, we have to express in terms of X. Therefore, I'll write it with the different color so that we'll have confirmation. We have, wherever R is there, you substitute as X, 1 by X. Therefore, 1 by lambda 2 equal to 5 by 4 into R from the first equation will be 1 by X. Therefore, what is lambda 2 from this? Lambda 2 will be equal to 4x by 5. 4x by 5. It will be option B.